is sunny today. Let's go outside. He is running because it's raining. She feels hot and tired. She wears sunglasses when it's sunny. She is wearing a warm sweater. The children are building a snowman. It's very windy today. Hold your hat. There's a thunderstorm. Let's stay inside. He wears a hoodie when it's chilly outside. She wears a cap to protect her face from the sun. He wears flip-flops to the beach. It's foggy. I can't see very far. It's hailing. Don't forget your helmet. It is snowing outside. Let's build a snowman. He wears a hat to keep his head warm. It's cloudy today. I don't see the sun. She is wearing a scarf around her neck. He always wears a raincoat when it rains. She wears shorts when it's hot and sunny. He is cold. He needs a jacket. This is my yellow coat. I wear it in winter. I take an umbrella when it rains. I wear gloves to keep my hands warm. He puts on rain boots to splash in puddles.